Okay, go ahead.
I was telling Gator a most wonderful clue. So he stole 2 costumes. The black knight goes in the tip on the photo.
Is that all of it?
Yep.
Why?
He said that
Why did he steal them? Here, say it one more time real loud.
the pterodactyl ghost did it.
Why did he steal them?
No, the pterodactyl ghost stole them.
Why?
An accident.
An accident?
The one with the black knight and the pterodactyl ghost stole the rest of the costumes.
Say the whole line again for Mommy.
I was telling
Say it louder. I can't hear you.
a most wonderful
No, start at the beginning.
Okay.
Yes, you can, but you gotta say it louder so we can hear it.
First, we have to start at the pterodactyl.
Okay.
No?
Quiet, Mikey.
The pterodactyl ghost went under the moon.
Hmm. So tell me about the reptilian scale.
Here it is. I'll have to put this in my pocket.
Okay, tell me about it. Show me the scale.
A reptilian scale, a most beautiful clue. But he stole 2 costumes. The black knight goes down, the Tibetan goes.
Hmm. That's pretty cool.
Velma said.
Velma said it.
He found it as
Uh-oh, did you drop it?
and Velma said, and a secret hatch. The real pterodactyl ghost must have come through there.
Really?
And Velma found this reptilian scale on the secret hatch. And
Wow.
he put it off.
Anything else cool happen in that movie?
And she said, a reptilian scale, a most wonderful clue. And Fred said he stole 2 costumes. The black knight got done to the vocal. Why? That's the end.
That's the end?
Yep.
That's pretty good.
That is it.
Yep.